Hi, good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra and welcome to my channel. It's the beginning of August and guess what that means? That means it's time for the whole new array of unboxings. The one I normally start off with every month is the one that does not advertise themselves as a subscription box service, but they're not really, are they? But you can get a box from them pretty much every month now, and it's the one from ASOS. Yeah, so ASOS started doing beauty boxes about just over a year ago, I would say, and I was pretty much on it from the start. I think I missed the very first box, but I was on it from after that. The boxes cost normally £12 a month, but they do special boxes, so it'll be a box by a theme, almost like a takeover. So they've had in the past Bobbi Brown, they've had Clinique, and those specialist boxes will cost £15 or might be even a little bit more. But on the whole, the boxes cost £12 a month. You'll get 4 or 5 items inside the box. Most of the items are full size. Sometimes you'll get a part of a pack or a collection, but you normally get very good value for your £12. So for those of you who don't know, ASOS are an online provider of fashion. They're mainly known for their fashion, very much disposable fashion, but they do some high branded stuff as well. So very popular, brands like Adidas, Nike, all that sort of thing. You'll get other big brands as well. But they've also started doing beauty products as well and accessories. So their beauty products range is called Face and Body, and they'll do things for men and women. So it's all good, really. So you can get skincare, makeup, cosmetics, all that sort of thing as well. So this is this month's box. The box is slightly different this month because normally it's just a plain white box, but we've got a slightly marbled effect going across there. So let's go and see what's inside this box. It's got a good weight to it, so that's actually quite exciting. Okay, so we always get a card in the box now, and the card normally says Go Play, and then you get a brief description of the products on the other side of it. So before I read that, let's just show you what the items are. Let's see what we've got. Okay, first item. All right, this is what's causing the weight. Okay, here we go. See that? Unusual item. So this is from Sunday Rain. It's not a brand I've heard of before. It's a foot soak and it's in watermelon fragrance. I've noticed that watermelon seems to be a very popular fragrance this month and last month. I'm starting to see it popping through in various skincare items. So there's obviously something about watermelon. I don't know if it's just the fragrance or watermelon has got some properties, but I am starting to see it coming through quite a bit now. So this foot soak is Revive and Energize, and it's 400 grams, so that's interesting. So that's the first item there. I'll have a quick look and see how much that costs, and then I'll let you know. So I'll have a look and see how much that soak costs. Don't forget the box costs £12, so it's always interesting to see what the total value of the box is. So I found this item in a website called beautygoddess.co.uk. This is a full size and it's worth £4, and they say rest easy. This watermelon foot soak lets you create your own luxurious spa-like experience from the comfort of your home. Simply fill a foot bath with warm water and add 2 to 3 scoops of refreshingly scented soak. Swirl until the soak dissolves and rest your tired feet into the pink bath. Relax and soak for 15 to 20 minutes until soles feel relaxed and refreshed. Okay, so that's a nice little item for summer, isn't it? Especially if you've been wearing heels a lot and your feet just need to rest, or your feet are just hot after being out all day in this heat we've been having. Let's have a look at this next item. This is a brand I have seen in the ASOS box before. Got an item from them before, this brand, and it was like a little tray. It was almost like it almost looked like a little fish tin or something, and it had 3 little items in it, and I still to this day don't know what to do with those 3 items, but that is a brand I recognise from that. So what do we have here? We've got a Ceramidin body butter, so that's good. Oh, it's by Dr. Yart. Okay. And going by this, I'm assuming it's either Korean or Japanese skincare, but a body butter, so that's good. Let's have a little look and feel. So it's nice packaging. Oh, it's very rich. Okay, I'll just put a little bit here, see how rich it is. Yep, it's even though it's quite rich in texture, it actually goes on quite light, but it is moisturizing, so that's all good. I have no problems with that. So let's see what they say about this, see if I can find any details on it. Wow, bloody hell, I've just seen the price of this. So this is a full-size item. First place I found it on was the ASOS website, and it's £22. So don't forget the box is £12. This alone is £22. It's full size, 200 millilitres. So what they say about it, it's a moisturiser by Dr. Yart Plus moisturising formula, hello hydration, smooth creamy texture, helps deliver intense hydration to very dry skin, cause your skin deserves good things. Works closely with an accomplished team of dermatologists. Dr. Yart puts cosmetics under the microscope with its scientific based skincare. The result is a range of products designed to effectively target common skin complaints such as hypersensitivity, dryness, oiliness, fine lines and dark spots. We're calling it the brand's ultra hydrating ceramidin cream, soothing Sayakapere tiger grass repair serum and shake and shot rubber firming mask are your new skincare heroes. Wow, okay, £22. Wow, okay, there we go. All right, so we know we've got our value there already. So what are we on? We're on £26 already, aren't we? For a £12 box, so that's all good. Okay, next we have this. I don't know what this is. Let's have a quick look. This is, guess what? You'll be naked in a minute. Really? Oh, it's a coffee scrub, original coffee scrub. Exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. Okay, let's see what I can find about this. I doubt this is a full-size item. I must admit, there was a period last year when we were getting quite a few body scrubs, coffee body scrubs in beauty boxes. I really don't like them. Don't like them at all. So I'm not too fussed about not liking this, because I'll just put this in a giveaway. But let me see if I can find any details on this one. I've just found on the Cult Beauty website, 100 grams of this is £6.95. This is 20 grams, so obviously it's 1/5. So we're looking at about £1 something here for this product. Based in self-professed Babe headquarters in Melbourne, Frank Body began its life when 5 friends had an ingenious idea over drinks, a fun all-natural vegan coffee scrub called Frank. With a saturate-free ingredient list and a rather cheeky sense of humour, the packaging for one reads, guess what, we'll be naked in 1 minute. Frank Body's original coffee scrub is more than worth taking your clothes off for, not just for your morning cup of joe. Robusta coffee grinds are the star of the scrub, gently exfoliating your skin while promoting blood flow and collagen production. This fella's talents aren't confined to exfoliation. A series of antioxidants and oils help to fight breakouts, fade scars, protect from free radicals and hydrate your body too. Okay, and they're saying they can't ship this to Australia. So right, there you go. Alright, so we've got a travel size amount of that. There's 3 more items in this box, so it's a packed box this month. Oh, look what we've got this month. Wow, we've got a Glam Glow product. That's cool. Which one's this one then? Oh, it's the Glam Glow. It's an original. It's the Super Mud Cleansing Treatment. Okay. Right, see if I can find any information on this. Obviously, this is a sample size. What we've got here, we've got 15 grams worth here, and on the Lookfantastic website, this 15 grams is worth £16. So they actually sell this as a size. But on the Lookfantastic website, it seems to come in a little jar like that. So it's 15 grams. £16, so you can see I'm not lying, £16, right? And what this does is, let's have a look. Treat your skin to the Glam Glow Super Mud Mask, an advanced clearing treatment that works to combat common skin concerns including blemishes, breakouts and uneven texture. Fortified with activated X charcoal, the unisex mud mask effectively draws out dirt and toxins from deep within the pores to reveal a radiant, clarified complexion. Helps to minimize the appearance of visible pores whilst delivering mattifying properties to eliminate oiliness and unwanted shine. Skin feels renewed and refined with restored vitality. This actually sounds like perfect for me. I'm trying to think, have I actually had this one before? I've had quite a few Glam Glow masks before, but I don't think I've had this one because I would remember it, because I know that anything with charcoal in it is actually really good for my skin, because I've got very oily skin, I have open pores, so I realised that charcoal mask, charcoal cleansing products have actually worked really well for me, as in they clarify my skin, they sort of refine my pores, they brighten my skin. So oh, I'm very pleased about that. And again, £16. So, hey. Right, what do we have here? So we've got a product here from Bumble and Bumble. That's another brand I've seen in a couple of beauty boxes this year. Products have been little sort of pump bottles, but it hasn't been really products for my hair type, because there's things like beach waves and all that sort of thing. So what do we have here? We've got a Baby While You Sleep Overnight Damage Repair Mask, and this is a 0.5 ounce 15ml mask. Let's see if I can find some information on this. Okay, so again on the Lookfantastic website, a full size of this is 190ml and it costs £40. Only got 3 out of 5 stars for it, but there's only been one review, and it basically says for this product, treat dry damaged hair to the benefits of Bumble and Bumble While You Sleep Overnight Hair Mask, a luxurious treatment that works to fortify and rejuvenate locks, especially the mid-lengths and ends. Infused with a host of beneficial ingredients including camellia oil and evening primrose, the deeply nourishing formula helps to repair split ends and styling damage for silky soft, smooth results. UV filters enhance colour vibrancy and defend against environmental aggressors. Can be used as a 20-minute mask or left on overnight so you can wake up to sleek, frizz-free tresses with restored vitality, and this is cruelty free. So that's all good, isn't it? So got a nice little amount there to try it out once, so that's good. And we've got one last item in this box. This is actually quite a good little box, you know. It's packed with good stuff. I don't know what this is, but it looks like another mask of some sort. Is that a meringue I see on top there? You know what, I must be one of the few people who don't like meringues. I just find them too sweet, and I love sweet things. I just don't like them. But here we go. So we've got this. This is a, oh, what is it? It's a jasmine green tea. Give your hands a sweet treat. So it looks like a hand mask of some sort. Yeah, Le Mini Macaron hand mask. Okay. Let's see what I can find out about this. I have found it on Feelunique.com. They have a 24ml mask. I mean, it looks like it's the same thing as this, to be honest, but they're saying 24ml, so maybe it's 2 of them, and they're selling it for £4.99. 24ml. This one says 12ml. Yeah, this one says 12ml, so either they're selling it as 2 of them or just double the amount in the one they sell on their website. But it's £4.99 anyway. And it says, treat your hands to a little R&R with a Le Mini Macaron hand mask. Your hands do all your heavy lifting. It's their turn to be pampered. Le Mini Macaron's jasmine green tea revitalizing hand mask revives tired hands with coconut oil, jasmine and green tea extracts. It's interesting, isn't it? Okay, so I would say that this is a pretty interesting box. So we've got this little hand mask. We have, I'm going to put them in the box back again. So we've got a hand mask here. We've got this foot soak. We have an overnight hair mask. Flipping expensive body butter. There we go, we've got that one there. Glam Glow cleansing treatment mask. And we've got a coffee scrub. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. There we go. So we've got a box there of 6 items. Whoopsie daisy. There we go. All for £12, and it's all pretty good stuff. So let's see what it says on the back of this card here. It says, Yep, get ready to cancel your plans this summer as we've got all the face and body goodies for your perfect night in. Oh, it's all about a night in. Everything you need to unwind, relax and reset after a long day. First up, there's the Energizing Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub to exfoliate your skin, and Glam Glow Super Mud Cleansing Treatment, one of our fave charcoal masks to purify and unclog pores. Then we've got the Dr. Jart's Ceramidin Body Butter, also known as the perfect post-bath moisturizer to hydrate and moisturize. And to really take it to the next level, you can give your hands some love with the Mini Macaron Ice Cream Handle Mask, which is enriched with green tea extracts and coconut oil to leave your mitts feeling nourished in minutes. And don't forget your feet too. Try the Watermelon Scented Sunday Rain Foot Soak for the ultimate TLC. Oh, and enjoy your free gift. Mood, the joy of missing out. What was the free gift? Oh, the free gift was this, the Bumble and Bumble. So that, no, I think that's a really nice little box. But you know how it goes. You tell me what you think. I think this is a good box, £12. Now, what I've noticed with the ASOS products, if it's a really good box, it sells out really quickly. So I haven't got a discount code or anything like that to share with you. But all I can say is if you go onto the ASOS website, the products are still available at the moment, the £12. I think, you know, it's worthwhile getting this box. It's not a bad one. I have bought another box, but I have to admit I haven't decided if I'm going to give that away as yet, because I actually think this would be a marvellous present to give as a Christmas present. I know, we're in August and I'm already talking about Christmas, but that's what I do. I start buying things up and collecting things bit by bit from now, really, for Christmas. So I start building up collections, and I already have in mind the people who I'm going to give these things to. So I'm not sure, because I have got another box here. There you go, so I've got another box here. So yeah, if I do it as a giveaway, I will let you know. But otherwise, it's going to be, I think at the moment, I'm thinking it's going to be a Christmas gift. But I have got a giveaway box ready to go, but I will announce that giveaway when the time comes. Alright, if you enjoyed that video, please don't forget, well, if you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to show your appreciation by giving me a comment, and then leaving a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this box. And if you enjoyed this box, then just let me know. All you got to do is just engage down below by leaving a comment. Also, give me one of those if you want to as well. Not one of those, just one of those, okay? And if you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? I'm giving you all of this. Go on now. So press the subscribe button down below. Whilst you're at it, press the notification bell, and then that will notify you when I do my next upload. All right? I'm sure there's going to be plenty more videos coming this week, because usually in the first week of August I do get quite a few boxes. So I will probably be seeing you soon. Enjoy your weekend, and if you like this box, get hold of it before it all sells out. £12. It's not bad value at all. Alright guys, take care. Bye, we'll see you soon.